Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're here, you're probably looking for a simple, respectful way to create an obituary or funeral program, maybe for a loved one, a family friend, or to help someone out in a time of need. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to design a beautiful, personalized obituary using Canva, even if you've never tried this before. We're going to walk through the process step by step, so you'll feel confident and supported the whole way. Let's dive right in. First up, head over to Canva.com. If you don't already have an account, you can sign up for free, but if you've used Canva before for things like invitations or social media posts, just log in like usual. Canva is a wonderfully user-friendly tool, which is why I recommend it for tasks like these. You can do everything here right in your browser, no special software needed. Once you're on Canva's homepage, look for the big Create a Design button. It's usually at the top right of the screen. Give that a click. Now in the search bar that pops up, type in the word obituary. This is where Canva really does a lot of the heavy lifting for you. By searching for obituary, you'll bring up a whole range of pre-made templates that are specifically designed for memorials and funeral programs. Some templates are elegant and understated, perfect for a classic look. Others have room for more photos or text if you want to get a bit more detailed. Scroll through and take your time picking a template that feels right for your situation, something that reflects your loved one's personality or the tone you want for the program. Once you've selected a template, click on it, and Canva will load it right into the editor. This is when you really start making it personal. Now, before you jump into editing, it really helps to have your content ready. That means gathering the important details you'll want to include: the person's full name, their date of birth and passing, any special tributes, and of course, some memorable photos. Take a few minutes to find your favorite pictures, maybe a classic portrait, a candid shot, or anything that captures their spirit. If there are a few family members you need to check with about which photos to use, now's a good moment to reach out. Don't worry if you don't have everything lined up right away. Canva lets you save and come back anytime. Alright, let's start editing your template. Click on any section of text in the template, names, dates, stories, and simply type over it with your loved one's information. Canva makes it really easy to change fonts, colors, or layout if you want. Just select what you want to customize and use the menu tools at the top. If you're new to Canva, remember, you can't really break anything here, so feel free to try different looks until it feels just right. To add photos, click Uploads on the left, upload your images, and drag them straight onto the template. You can resize and move them around so everything fits beautifully. This is your chance to make the program as unique and special as the person you're honoring, so spend a little time adjusting the look until it feels right. Once you're happy with how everything looks, double-check all the names and details to make sure they're correct. It's time to save or download your program. Canva lets you download your design as a PDF, which is perfect for printing and easy to share with family, friends, or your funeral home. That's really it. You've created a meaningful keepsake, all from the comfort of your home. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let us know if you have any questions or need more tips. Just drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. And if you want more helpful guides like this one, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching and take care.